Hello fishing friends, and having a good day on walleye here. There you go. How about that one for a good one? There he is. Let's see what he measures. 21 and a half. Back into Rainy Lake he goes. There you see a fish on the graph. I'm in 22.6 feet of water, and looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 walleyes under me at the moment. I'm having my best luck today on a bluish gray moxie, a plastic bait with about a 1/4 ounce jig head. Well folks, here's the last fish of the day. This one is going to be dinner. He's just barely legal, so he's going to the frying pan.